1 second, I gotta get there.
Raymond.
Okay, not there
I'm
yet.
recording. Ha. I beat you first.
Well, I knew you would. Woo! Alright, and. Do it! Do it!
You look so cool.
Stop for a second, stop for a second! Here, like, show
Stop
your
for a
face or
second.
something.
Alright.
Video! That looks really cool, though. Nice.
Gotta cause some fan there. Alright. Let's get complicated.
Woo! Okay, I just stopped.
Alright.
China.
Oh, dang it, I missed.
Remember the fire thing?
You guys are sending this to me.
Yeah. Remember
What,
the
in the driveway?
fire? No. Oh yes, in the driveway. when we lit that stuff on fire.
Yeah.
No, but I mean the fire twirling at Metricon.
Yeah, 'cause I
Man,
missed
Tess,
it.
you so missed it because that one of the
Oh, that was cool. He had a whip and stuff. I like.
yeah, and it was like
Well,
on
I can
fire.
see it next year.
I have a video.
Or
I
this-
just had to figure out how to put it on YouTube because it's for some reason not letting me.
It looks like some like blocks, light up blocks, because like the camera's not
They do,
good
they
enough.
look like
My eyes
blocks.
are gonna be like so effed up like after this.
I was like,
I like just staring. I can do it like that. I can do it with my hands. I'm gonna get hypnotized. If I fall over, just whoa, the whole room is like moving.
Caroline.
No, I'm serious. Oh my,
Alright,
eyes are
take us
starting
out.
to water. So.
Alright, hold on. Let's see if I can get it again.
Woo! I saw it. I saw
Oh
it.
my god!
Serious. It's like if your eyes water, like the whole thing is moving. I want to just jump through it. Not a good idea. Not a good idea.
See if I can hit it around the back for you guys. There you go.
Oh my god.
Because I'm just like that.